Buying a carpet cleaner in 2026? This is the only guide you need. I researched the market and found the 8 best carpet cleaners, from $80 spot cleaners to a $450 commercial-grade machine. Whether you have one cat or a house full of dogs, there's a pick here for you. Links below. Let's get into it. Tier 1. Budget carpet cleaners. $80 to $120. Product number 1. Bissell Little Green Mini Portable for $88.97. The Little Green Mini is the lightest cleaner here at just 7 pounds. Single-hand spot work made effortless. Key specs: 7 pounds, 16-ounce tank, Hydro Rinse self-cleaning tool, 4-inch tough stain tool, dual-purpose carpet and auto detailer. Suction is genuinely strong for the size, and the Hydro Rinse tool cleans itself between stains without disassembly. Here's what they don't tell you. The 16-ounce tank runs dry in 2 or 3 messes. The cord is short at roughly 4 feet, and the handheld-only design means no upright option for full carpet runs. Best for spot cleaning couches, stairs, car interiors, and fresh pet accidents. Not for whole room deep cleaning. The lightest portable here, built to grab, treat, and put away. Product number 2. Hoover PowerDash Pet Compact for $109.99. If the Little Green Mini handles spots, the PowerDash handles whole rooms. Here's what you get for the upgrade. Key specs: 12.5 pounds, 0.5-gallon clean tank, heat force drying, antimicrobial power spin pet brush roll, full upright form factor. Full upright design means real room coverage, and the antimicrobial brush roll resists pet odor buildup that destroys cheap machines. The reality check: the 0.5-gallon tank runs dry after 1 room. There's no separate dirty tank, so emptying is messier, and the short cord keeps you tethered to outlets. Best for small apartments and single rooms. Not for whole home deep cleaning in 1 session. The most bought entry-level upright on the market. There's a reason. Tier 2. Mid-range carpet cleaners. $150 to $200. Product number 3. Shark StainStriker HairPro Portable for $159.99. Pet hair is where most portable cleaners fail. Shark's HairPro tech is specifically designed to fix that. Key specs: 8.5 pounds, 24-ounce tank, HairPro technology, dual activated solution, 3 tools, onboard self-cleaning. HairPro brushes specifically resist tangle and pick up 3 times more pet hair than standard portables, wet or dry. Here's the catch: it's still portable only. The 24-ounce tank is small versus full uprights, and the dual activated solution requires Shark's proprietary formula. Best for pet households with heavy shedders wanting portable convenience. Not for anyone needing whole room upright cleaning. The hair shedding portable answer, built around the one problem the Little Green Mini can't solve. Product number 4. Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe for $169.99. This is where the lineup gets serious. The PowerScrub Deluxe is the first true whole home deep cleaner here. Key specs: 18.5 pounds, 1-gallon dual tank system, 5 counter-rotating spin scrub brushes, heat force drying, 8 feet hose, upholstery, pet, and crevice tools. 5 brushes scrubbing opposite directions lift embedded dirt, single brush machines leave behind, and the dual tank means you're never cleaning with recycled grime. The downsides: at 18.5 pounds, it's noticeably heavier on stairs. The handle is non-adjustable, and the manual trigger requires constant finger pressure across long sessions. Best for multi-room pet households wanting genuine deep cleaning. Not for apartments needing lightweight storage. 5 brush scrubbing and a dual tank in mid-range pricing. The smartest upgrade here. Halfway through, if this is saving you from a bad purchase, hit like and drop your pet count in the comments. Tier 3. Premium Carpet Cleaners. $200 to $300. Product number 5. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus for $237.99. Step into premium territory. The ProHeat 2X earns it with a combo nothing mid-range offers. Key specs: dual dirt lifter power brushes, clean shot pre-treater with Oxy, max clean and express clean modes, 30-minute dry time, 8 feet hose, 3-inch tough stain tool. Dual brushes scrub in both directions simultaneously, lifting embedded dirt single brush competitors leave behind. The clean shot pre-treater attacks set-in pet urine before the main pass starts. What you need to know: the machine is heavier than mid-range uprights, the trigger requires constant pressure, and the 30-minute express dry only works in low humidity conditions. Best for pet households with set-in stains and odor issues. Not for anyone wanting automatic operation. A premium pet workhorse, built for serious accidents. Product number 6. Hoover SmartWash Plus Automatic for $259.99. This is it. This is my personal pick. Key specs: motion sensing automatic operation, push to clean and pull to dry with no triggers, auto mix solution dispensing, flex force power brushes, 18.5 pounds. Walk forward, the machine cleans. Pull back, it dries. The auto mix system measures the exact solution ratio every time, eliminating the #1 reason carpet cleaners damage carpet: wrong dilution. The trade-offs: the 0.5-gallon clean tank means frequent refills versus the PowerScrub. The motion sensor occasionally misreads on thick rugs, and automatic mode adds cost over manual machines. Best for pet owners wanting set-and-forget operation and consistent results. Not for users prioritizing maximum tank size. Automatic mixing, automatic spray, automatic dry. The only carpet cleaner here that's harder to screw up than to use. Tier 4. Luxury Carpet Cleaners. $350 to $450. Product number 7. Shark CarpetXpert HairPro for $379. Step up to a full-size upright with HairPro, and the EX301 is what serious shedding actually requires. Key specs: 20.7 pounds, HairPro technology, CarpetXpert tech, built-in StainStriker handheld with 20 times stain power, 4 tools, onboard self-clean. HairPro brush rolls reject the hair wrap that strangles standard brush rolls in multi-pet homes within months. The built-in StainStriker handles spot work without unpacking a separate machine, and onboard self-clean flushes the system between sessions. Here's where it falls short. At 20.7 pounds, it's heavier than the SmartWash Plus. The tool storage tray adds significant footprint, and the StainStriker side requires Shark's proprietary dual-activated formula to function. Best for multi-pet households with heavy shedding wanting hair-resistant, full upright cleaning. Not for anyone with limited storage or wanting automatic operation. The serious shedding fix. Heavy build, but the hair tangle problem dies here. Product number 8. Bissell Big Green Professional for $429. And here's the flagship. The Big Green is commercial-grade hardware built for households that genuinely need it. Key specs: 42 pounds, 1.75-gallon tank, XL dirt lifter power brush, 12-ampere motor, 9-inch long-reach hose, 6-inch tough stain tool, cleans on forward and backward pass. The 12-amp motor matches commercial rental machines, and dual-direction cleaning means each carpet patch gets 2 passes per push. Fastest dry time here. The 1.75-gallon tank means full living and dining room cleans with no refills. The honest truth, at 42 pounds, this is a 2 arms and a back machine. The footprint is large for storage in apartments, and the power cable is heavy to manage on stairs. Best for multi-pet households with heavy carpet square footage who want commercial-grade results. Not for apartments or anyone with storage constraints. Gold standard of consumer carpet cleaners, built like a tank and cleans like one. All right, the winners. Best value, Hoover PowerScrub Deluxe. 5 counter-rotating spin scrub brushes, dual tank separation, and full toolkit at mid-range pricing. Best for spot cleaning, Bissell Little Green Mini. The lightest cleaner here at 7 pounds, perfect for couches, cars, and stairs. Best automatic, Hoover SmartWash Plus. Push to clean, pull to dry, no triggers, no buttons, no measuring solution. The lazy person's dream. Best premium pick, Bissell Big Green Professional. Commercial-grade 12-ampere motor, the biggest tank in this lineup, and dual-direction cleaning. Skip this. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution. Manual trigger operation when the SmartWash Plus in this same tier fully automates the entire cleaning process. My personal pick, Hoover SmartWash Plus. Automatic mixing eliminates the #1 reason carpet cleaners damage carpet, wrong dilution, every single time. All 8 links are in the description, organized by tier. If this video saved you from a bad purchase, smash that subscribe button and drop your pet count and carpet square footage in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you in the next one.